good, you have good, or you have better, you have better, you have best. So I can go on because sometimes everything happens for a wise purpose. But at the end of the day, we share a lot of memories. We have a lot of times. Me, I gotta remember every sometime things to do. When me know I could have do for me, my mind I gotta remember pan. And me I go lie down sometime. I remember him side of me. I remember everything sometime. I remember I go fresh one in sometime. And me I go remember. You understand me? I say see and although in spite he abuse me and he use me and everything, me still I go remember and him I go same way, me still I go feel a way, a blood run through me.
So you talk to him also? Like
I'm afraid.
You afraid? But you're there so no reason with me, maybe the reason with him the same way we work out.
Me know want me and him go back to nothing. So me know want because me feel like he use me and abuse me. And he abuse me mental.
Oh, mental abuse.
You know only abuse me by putting your hand on me. Alistair what me I can't be something. You know only abuse me by putting your hand on me. If I did that the abuse there alone, I would have a problem because that made me feel cute. But he abuse me by it cheating me and using abusal. Roses chat!
Guys,
Roses!
Guys, 7 roses.
Emotional. Roses chat!
Come on, guys.
I don't know how he cheat me, the care, the disrespecting everything. It's like that I know that is an abuse. Sometimes some people tell us how things out of their mouth, and that's also abuse. Sometimes the way how people cheat you, that's also abuse. So it almost put me in a trauma if me never strong. And it could be the second time something like this happened to me. I can't get nobody in my heart again.
I think you have to remember say you want a strong girl and you know ugly.
Shut me about them so at the end of the day, you know. At the end of the day, you know, I'm not go lucky with no man because you are. Man, no feel I done with man. See how they man complicated and me can't pray over the relationship. Because me can't pray, me a prayer warrior. So if I did something, I could have pray over and fight it. I could have said, guys, we're going to something triple. If I did something, I could have pray over Z. We could have pray over it and say, all right, then, Daddy Jesus. Bless and sanctify the little ship you have for me. Make it be concealed. Make it come in your name. I dedicate in your hand. Bless the Holy Ghost and everything. Father, the enemy have tied, but me can't pray. Me pray to God, me know God done me. Can't call God in a batty business. Me know God done me, so I have to just take what me get.
Well, Tikki, still, I get to you say still, but you have a nice personality, you know, you're just loud, but...
You look like you are they're afraid of the loudness. And you know, I'm not loud in a person sometimes, and me can't talk low, and me wish.
No, alright, take time and tell me, Mary. Say something like lower your tone.
See.
Me know you have a girl, but you're a pretty girl. Pretty girl talk low. You understand pretty girl talk low? Because me I want stud and very sassy me talk low, but you have to talk low.
July 12, you can't beg something. Every time I join fire, me I beg something, you can't give me. You can't beg a live goal. You see, I test you, my always know me can't lower my voice like that, but me can't like try good on one lies, because I see if I do it, I go so like one man. Me can't. What's up,
Remember say like the man them dominant, you know, you have that already. You already have the dominant partner. But I just the voice. Make work on the voice. Go so. Introduce yourself to me now.
Hey baby, what's up? How are you?
Alright, let me look at Tikki like me and one man and me I look here, right? Alright, which part of them me I look here? Which part of them me I look here now?
Like for instance, you meet me on the road I walk.
I see you on the road. Hey pretty girl. You look pretty. Where are you going by yourself?
I'm going on the road.
Which way are you heading?
I want to head to Burger King. I'm going to the mall.
Girl, to the Tikki where the girlie look the way you have. I'm going to the mall.
Start over, babes.
Alright.
Start over, be good.
Alright, me meet you now at supermarket. Deal? Supermarket me meet you now.
Yeah.
Yeah, cash. You put up your something them on the counter for cash. I'm gonna say your bill come to 500. I'm gonna say to you cashier, I'm paying her bill.
Thank you.
No, you're not supposed to go so so quick.
What kind of public embarrassment this?
Well, I Tikki. Tikki, if me say me a pay your bill, you're supposed to say no, it's fine until me insist. So me say me a pay for your bill.
What kind of public embarrassment blood clot this?
Tikki the girl have blow. Tikki have the girly face. Tikki don't have act girly.
I try what can do be a father.
Me I try again. Which part me meet Tikki?
As the only was to see.
Alright, you pretend to be man. Need the feminine girl. Come look, me show you.
Yo, mama, what? I go on.
Oh, you know, come, mama is unattractive.
Alright. Yo, babes. What? Where you reach? An idea.
You can't offer a random girl a ride. You creep if you offer a random girl a ride. I think you're a weirdo. Tikki!
I come here, go see supermarket one.
Alright. Me I show you off. Alright, you meet a man in a supermarket, Tikki. Me I tell you off. Me a the feminine girl. Alright. You offer for pay for me. Come, go ahead.
Yeah. Alright. 20. Watch ya.
Guys, we can get 27 roses.
Hey, cashier. I'm gonna pay for her bill. No, hey, cashier. Cashier, and something. How much is her bill? I'm telling myself. Oh, I'm gonna pay her bill. What you would have say?
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. You don't got to pay. I can pay it.
Say it now, let me see if I can do it.
Alright, let me do it here now. Alright. Me say cash, I'm gonna step in front and say, excuse me, cashier, calling for a bill. I'm paying for a bill. You're supposed to say, it's fine, I'll pay for it.
I'll do it when I see if I can do it.
Alright. I step in front of you. I step in front of you, Charlie, and say, cashier, may I pay for your bill?
Hey, it's fine. I will pay for it.
No, I insist. A pretty lady like you should not have to pay any bills. I'll pay for it.
Oh, it's okay. Trust me, I'll pay for it. I'll handle it.
No, we have me too. Just relax now. Alright, I'm gonna pay for your bill. I'm gonna wait for you done. I'm gonna stand up. You're supposed to come and tap me now.
Why the girl you were like kill me? Do I let me have to go start focus?
The girl over here, you just have to learn now.